Hari Om, Namaste. Welcome back to IHSP Brain Yoga and Olympiads. Myself Brain Yogi Srinivas, President for Tapasya Education Trust, Bangalore, India. Today we are going to clear the clarifications about Brain Yoga and how to join the Brain Yoga.
Hello, sir.
Hari Om.
So, what is brain yoga?
Brain Yoga is a familiar name in India. In abroad and internationally, it is known as IHSP Brain Yoga. And if you participate in this, you will it is known as IHSP Brain Olympiad. If you do exercises, you can go for gym. If you do exercises for your brain, it is known as brain yoga or brain gym. There are lots of exercises for the brain to keep the brain fit. Lots of meditation to make your mind fit. Train your brain and train your mind with ancient techniques with scientifically intervened methods. So, we have brain gym, brain exercises, finger exercises, balancing of left hemisphere and right hemisphere, meditations with scientifically intervened methods. Those all get to one package and known as brain yoga. We have doing this brain yoga in 36 different types of activation. No one in this world will do this 36 types of activation. That too in this online. We are doing for all age groups irrespective of caste, religion, creed. Those who are physically fit, mentally fit, without any operation, without any epilepsy. This is the criteria to join in the brain yoga. So brain yoga is anciently known as Shabda Bheda Yoga Vidya in Ramayana period and Mahabharata period. In ancient days in Gurukula, this knowledge is being taught to the children. There are 4 stages of humans: Balya, Yavana, Gruhasthasya and Vanaprasthasya. This brain yoga is applicable in all stages to enhance the memory, concentration, self-confidence, willpower, and to de-addiction of the junk food and electronic acids. Next question.
Okay, thank you. That was really good. What are the benefits of brain yoga?
Benefits: memory, concentration will be enhanced, self-confidence and willpower will be enhanced, de-addiction of junk food and electronic acids will be enhanced, and also for this is for the students. For the employees, the concentration, stress management, balancing of the official life and also their family life is being useful by doing this brain yoga. For the elders, it is also useful for the spiritual growth, divine eye meditations. Next question.
How to join brain yoga?
So there are 5 steps of methods, 5-step methods to join this brain yoga. One thing, Kachi, know about the brain yoga and also know about the trainer. So myself has been trained more than 10 years through the ancient knowledge with Rishi Munis, Nagasadhu Siddhus, and also we okay. So second step, book your personal timing slots and check your eligibility. Attend the brain yoga free trial classes and demo classes. After completing the doubts and clarifying the doubts, you can book the time slots, and then after going through this test, if you are eligible is through, then you can go get the admission. Step 3, attend the virtual classes in Zoom meeting, knowing about yourself and enhancing the physical health, mental health, family health, social health, financial health, cosmic health. Join. Step 5, join in the group 3 minimum classes in a week or 12 classes in a month. If you have time, if you are interested, you can join daily 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, anytime. I have more than 5 slots in the day, English and different languages, local languages Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and English.
Okay, so you have is useful for children. But how is this useful for youth and even old age?
Yes, good question. Youth, youth are the backbone of our country and of all the countries. So, in this youth, all the youth are being deviating from their subjects. Harishad Vargas, known as Harishad Vargas, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Mada, Moha, Macharyas. To eradicate this with the mind, with the divine eye, you can get focused on your goals. And these meditations and this brain yoga will keep you to excel in the life in the right path. And then for adult, for your old age people, they should mastery their experience for the well-being of their family, for the well-being of their dependents, well-being for the countrymen, fellow people. For that purpose, this divina is useful to connect the Jivatma to Paramatma, self conscious to the super consciousness. For this purpose, this brain yoga is useful for youth and also the adults.
Okay, thank you. So, what is the fee structure of brain yoga class?
Sorry, we will call as the Guru Dakshina. We won't
Okay, my bad.
take as a guru fees. So here there are different stages and different levels. So according to that different levels and different stages, according to their capacity, they can render the Guru Dakshina, energy exchange. We will all discuss after the eligible test. Those who are eligible, we can render. Everything fees or Guru Dakshina you call, it is very nominal comparative to the public. So you can first join the free trial classes and then understand properly. If you are fully satisfied, clarifying all the doubts, then go for online eligibility test. And then after conducting this eligible test, if you are through, then go for the admission formalities, book your time slots and join the group classes and acquire the knowledge, utilize for yourself, your family well-being, for the nation well-being. Jai Gurudev. Always. Also, you please subscribe.
Okay. Okay, guys. Now the Zoom link for the brain yoga classes is in the description. Go check on, and mobile number, Facebook, and Instagram links are in the description.
Thank you for viewing this YouTube channel. Once again, I request you all to subscribe, share, comment, like this. Once my contact number is 8. Thank you once again all. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe the YouTube channel. Jai Gurudev.